something underneath it. Is it Tom? Oh, it's a phone.
Oh.
Now who's the idiot?
Hey.
Oh, this little dog. Yeah, right. You bought it. I don't understand what happened to those because I watched them.
Moving it away from the holes inside.
Videoing it?
Yeah.
This is how exciting my life is.
But I do not have a mistake.